Meira Paibi leader and president of Poirailai Marol Apunba Meira Paibi Manipur, Ima Memchoubi's last rites was performed today at her residence at Thangmaiban, Polem Laikai. Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren Works Minister Govindas Konthojam, MLA of Thangmaiban AC Kumancham Joy Kishan, President of Amuko PH Nando Luwang, many eminent persons, representatives of different civil society organizations and communities attended the last rites. After ritual ceremony was held at her residence, her lifeless body was brought to the Ima Memchoubi Memorial Complex at Lamphilpat and performed the last rites. Speaking to media persons, President of Amuko PH Nando Luwang said, late Ima Memchoubi's contribution in the state of Manipur is uncountable. She went to outside states to unite the Manipuris residing in different states. A big vacuum which cannot filled up by anybody is left by Ima Memchoubi. We are trying to follow the path she made for our coming generation, Nando added.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯊꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯆꯤꯡꯈꯣꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯌꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯍꯤ ꯂꯣꯌꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯀꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯏꯃꯥꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣꯡꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯝꯈꯤꯕꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯍꯣꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯠ ꯃꯤꯅꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯥꯎꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯟ ꯃꯨꯊꯠꯂꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯅꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯠ ꯃꯤꯅꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯥꯎꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣꯡꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯐꯅ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣꯡꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯐꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅꯕ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯨꯝ ꯏꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ